Hello! Today I will show you how to easily and quickly remove the old AirPod cushions from Sony WH-1000XM4 Bluetooth headphones. To do this you need a butter knife. If you are vegan, any similar tool will do the job. Put the knife between the edge of the AirPod and the headphone housing. Gently pry the pod off and that's it. Remove the AirPod. It's held to the headphone by some pins and hooks. Also remove the foam filter and clean any dirt. Then remove the second AirPod cushion in the same way. If you can get it loose with the knife in one place, try another spot. You can then order new replacement AirPods online. The link to them is in the video description. The new replacement AirPods are put back on in the same way as the old ones were removed. Put the foam filter with the cut on the side where the sensor is. Place the other foam with the straight edge down on the other side. Then take the AirPod that has the hole for the sensor. The important thing when putting the AirPod in is to center the pins in the holes of the headphone body. Then press the AirPod cushion in several places so that it hooks onto the headphone housing. Do the same with the other AirPod and that's it. I'm still waiting for the new replacement AirPods, but I hope you found this useful. Good luck!